I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble unlocking your card on Curve, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Curve app. Launch the Curve app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Card Settings. Once you're in the app, go to the Card section. Here, you will see all your linked cards. Step 3. Select the locked card. Find the card that is currently locked. Tap on it to open its specific settings. Step 4. Unlock the card. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Confirm unlock success. After unlocking, you should see a confirmation message. Try making a small transaction to ensure the card is fully functional again. Sometimes the app may take a moment to update, so if you don't see the change right away, give it a minute. I hope this helps you get your card unlocked quickly. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.